Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 13.8. Here we will find the volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere. That first question is find the volume of sphere whose radius is this one. So first part I am doing here. That first part is radius is 7 centimeter. So that volume is equal to sphere means 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So that 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 1 cancel by 7, that will be 1. So that multiply of that will be 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 7 ja 49, 8 9 ja 72, that carry 7, 8 4 ja 32, 7 39, that is 2 11 13 4. So that is 4 3 1 2 upon 3, 4 3 1 2 upon 3, that is the volume of that one centimeter cube. Or we can convert in mixed fraction also. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja, and then 3 3 ja 3 7 ja, that is 1 upon 3 centimeter cube. Second part you can do. That second question, find the amount of the water displayed by the solid sphere wall of diameter is that is given. Diameter is that was given. That second part, that is a decimal to 1 meter. So that r will be decimal to 1 upon 2 meter. So that cancel by that one. 2 1 ja 2 and then 0 2 5 ja. So that will be decimal 10 5 meter. That so now volume is equal to, that will be 4 upon 3, that is a sphere. Yes, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So that 4 upon 3 into pi value is not given, 22 upon 7 into decimal 105, decimal 105, decimal 105, and then that will be cancel also. Decimal 0 7 1 ja 7 3 7 5 ja, and then that will be cancel decimal 0 0 5, and then after the multiply that will be 0 decimal 0 0 4 8 5 centimeter cube. Third question, that is the diameter of metallic ball is 4.2. Third question, diameter is equal to 4.2, that will be centimeter. So r will be 2.1 centimeter. And then what will the mass of the ball, capacity of the density of that one. So that volume is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube, that is a spherical ball. Is that means obviously that will be a sphere. So 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into, that is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. So that 7 3 ja 3 1 ja. So that will be the volume. But we need to find the mass. So mass is equal to that will be 8.9 gram. That 8.9 gram into that will 2 into decimal into 2.1 into 2.1, and then multiply all that thing will be 345.39 gram. That will be the answer. This is the third question. Fourth question, diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So diameter of earth is equal to x. So that r will be x upon 2, and then diameter of moon, obviously that will be x upon 4 because 1/4 is that one. So that r will be x upon 4 to the 8. And then we need to find that fraction of the volume of moon and earth, and then fraction. So fraction is equal to volume of moon. Volume of moon, that will be 4 upon 3 pi r cube. R cube upon 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 cancel by 4 upon 3, that r cube, that is r x upon 8. X upon 8 cube, main upon x upon 2 cube. So that will be x upon 8 into x upon 8 into x upon 8 into 2 upon x into 2 upon x into 2 upon x. X cancel, that 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. So that 1 upon 16 is the fraction of that thing. Next question number 5 will be there. How many liter of milk can hemispherical ball of diameter that one will be hold? Hemisphere. Now we will do the hemisphere. Diameter is equal to 10.5, that is centimeter. So that r will be, obviously that will be half of that one, that will be 5.25 centimeter. And then volume is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere volume is 2 upon 3. That 2 upon 3 into pi value is not given here. So 22 upon 7 into 5.25 into 5.25 into 5.25. And then decimal 7 7 ja 49 and 7 5 ja, and then by that one decimal 3 2 ja and 3 5 ja, and then by the multiply of that thing, that will be 303 centimeter. Not 303 not will be there, 00 centimeter cube. Approximately that will become, and then this is the centimeter cube. If you will be convert in that, so that will be in liter, that will be 303 liter. If we will convert centimeter in liter, centimeter cube in liter, so that will be, so that will become like this, centimeter cube. So that will be divided by 3. So that now now question number 6, that a hemispherical tank made up of iron, thickness is that 1 centimeter. So thickness is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 is equal to 0.01 meter, and then inner radius is 1 centimeter. Inner radius is equal to 1 meter. So that then find the volume of the iron used to made the tank. So outer radius will be 1.01 meter. 1.01 meter. So that volume of iron used to make tank. So volume of iron is equal to that is a hemispherical tank. So that 2 upon 3 h r cube minus r cube, because 2r is there. So that 2 upon 3 into h will be also that, sorry, just wait, formula has written wrong here. That will be 2 upon 3 pi r cube minus r cube. So that 2 upon 3 into pi value is not given, so that 22 upon 7, and then r cube is that 1.01 cube minus that will be 1 cube. That will be 1 cube. So that after the calculation that your answer will become, that is 0.0634 meter cube. After the calculation, that will be answer. 7th question. Wait. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So surface area is given there. A sphere of surface area. So surface area is equal to, that is given 154, that is centimeter square. Surface area of, and that we know that 4 pi r square 154. So 4 into 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 154. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 22 into 4. So 22 7 ja. So that r is equal to under root 49 upon 4. So that r is equal to, that is 7 upon 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeter. But we need to that, no need to find that decimal centimeter. So volume is equal to, volume of a sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So that 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. So 2 ja, 2 cancel by 2, 2 11 ja, and then 7 7 ja 49. After that calculation, that your answer will become 179.2 upon 3 centimeter cube. And then only 3 questions are left here. So 8th question. 8th question is that a dome is a building in the form of a hemisphere. From the inside, it what was whitewashed at the cost is equal to this one. So cost is equal to, that is rupees 4989 decimal, that is 60, and then rate is equal to, that is given 20 rupees 20 per meter square, So that we need to find the surface area. So that surface area is equal to cost upon rate. So that cost is 4989.60 upon 20. So by the cancellation of that, think that will be, here will become decimal. So 4920 inside the surface area of dome. That will be, yes, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja, and 2 again, that 249.48, that will be meter square. And then volume of air inside the dome. Volume, we need to find the volume. So we need, that will be radius also. So that surface area is equal to, we have found it 249.48, and then surface area we know that dome is a hemisphere. So 2 upon 3 pi r square. So that 249.4 8 249.48, then the value pi value is not given here, so 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r square is equal to 249.48, and then r square is equal to 49.48 into 3 into 7 upon, that will be 2 into 22 by 2, that will be 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 4 ja, then decimal 2 7 ja 2 4 ja, and then by again 2 11 ja, that will be 2 6 ja 2 2 ja, decimal 2 3 ja 2 7 ja, and then by 11 11 5 ja 55, decimal that will be 11 5 55, 5 to 7 73 will be there, 11 6 ja 66, and then 7 ja, so that r is equal to, that will be under root 3 7 ja 21, so that 21 5.67 21, that 7 6 5 7 2 ja 14, 6 2 ja 12 1 13, 2 5 ja 10 1 11, then 7 0, and then 5 3 8 8 1 9, and then 1 1, so that will be 11 9.07. Now we will find the we will find that square root, that one also. So how you will find that square root? We know that 1 1 ja 1, and then 2, that is not left anything, so 19, that will be not possible, so by 0, that will be another pair and decimal, and then how many time will we go? 2 9 ja 18, we can say that 9 9 ja 81, 9 2 ja 18, yes, that will be 9, so 10.9, that r is equal to 10.9, that will be approx value, it's not a perfect value. And then volume, so volume is equal to, that will be 2 upon 3 pi r cube, so that 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 10.9 into 10.9 into 10.9, and then that will be after the calculation that will be 523.9 meter square, that's the approx value. That's the 9th question, that 27 solid iron, each of radius r, so that radius is equal to r, and then surface area are melted to the form of a sphere with surface area h dash, find the radius of the new sphere, so that volume of first sphere, that will be volume of first sphere is equal to volume of second sphere, so that will be this here 27 multiply 4 upon 3 pi r cube, or that will be 4 upon 3 pi r dash cube, 4 upon 3 cancel by 4 upon 3, so that will be 3 3 is 9 3 27 r cube is equal to r dash cube, so that cube cancel by cube, so r dash is equal to 3r, r dash is equal to 3r, the ratio of surface area, so ratio is equal to, that is the first surface area, that is a sphere, so 4 upon 3 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r dash square, that 4 pi cancel by 4 pi, so r square is the same r square, and r dash square is 3r square. So that r square upon 3 9 r square बन जाए r square. So that 1/9, that is the final answer. And then last question is that 10th question. 10th question is that a capsule of medicine in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 3.5 millimeter. How much medicine in mm is needed to fill this capsule? So that r is equal to 3.5 upon 2 mm. 3.2 mm, so that will be cancelled. So that will be 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja, 3 5 ja. So that is 1.75 mm. So that volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So that 4 upon 3 into pi value is not given there. So 22 upon 7 into 1.75 into 1.75 into 1.75. So that 7 1 ja 7 and then 3 let 7 5 ja and then 3.5 ja. So that the multiply of that will be 2.46 mm cube answer. Okay.